Are you a high achiever who's been feeling stressed with everything that's going on in your life right now? Maybe you have a never ending to do list, or you dread checking your calendar every morning because you know it's completely full, or sometimes even double booked. Well, did you know that it's possible to be successful without having to sacrifice your own health and well being? I'm Dr. Cindy Sai, and I'm a board certified internal medicine and integrated physician focused on helping high achievers better manage stress and optimize your health and well being so that you can be well and enjoy the life you worked so hard for. I'm excited to talk about how to decrease stress with the mind body connection and teach you important skills and practical tools so that you can relax and de stress. Make sure to join this session to experience this firsthand, and you'll walk away feeling relaxed and energized to take on your day. I'll see you soon.